Psalm 139. O Lord, you have searched me and know me. You know when I sit down and when I stand up. You discern my thoughts from afar. You search out my path and my lying down, and are acquainted with all my ways. Even before a word is on my tongue, behold, O Lord, you know it all together. You have me in and behind and before, and lay your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me.